dear student, in my last video we discussed pollinating agents, that is biotic and abiotic agents. Today we will discuss outbreeding device, that is controversies of self and cross pollination. So let's start. The first, outbreeding devices. Many plants have mechanisms that to prevent self-pollination, to promote cross-pollination and increase genetic diversity. The plant have evolved wide variety of sexual strategy. The special character or adaptation shown by flower to achieve desired type of pollination to avoid the undesired one are called contrivances for pollination. These contrivances for pollination, it's occurred in two ways. First, contrivances for cross pollination. Second, contrivances for self pollination. So let's start the first one, contrivances for cross pollination. In contrivances for cross pollination, it occurs by means of many devices, that is known as outbreeding devices. The first device is unisexuality or dichotomy. In unisexuality, the plant bears either male or female flower. It is called as dioecious. Means what? All these flowers are unisexual. All these flowers are unisexual. If the flower is unisexual, then self-pollination is not possible. This dioecious condition observed in case of papaya, mulberry, molars, plum, cucurbita and date palm. Second, the plant, it may be monoecious. Monoecious means what? Male and female are born on same plant. Its example, it's maize. We already discussed in maize plant the pollination which is occurred, that is the wind pollination. Because there is the male and the female flower, it's born on the same plant, but there is the cross pollination easier. The second device we see, that is the dichogamy. It's a very simple. Anther and carpel mature at different time in a bisexual flower. In a bisexual flower, if anther means what? Androecium, and the carpel, that's a stigma, it says as the gynoecium. When the maturity period of androecium and the gynoecium is different in a bisexual flower, then that condition it called as the dichogamy. If it is mature at different time, so you can understand there is a no self pollination. This dichogamy, it's a further divided it into two types. First type, it's a protandry. You can understand this word very easily. Pro means what? Primitive. Andry, it stands as androecium. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? प्रो का मतलब है पहले, एंड्री का मतलब है एंड्रोशियम. Means in flower, androecium mature first and then the gynoecium mature. That's what's the definition? The anther of flower mature earlier than carpel. कौन सा शब्द इम्पोर्टेंट है यहाँ पे अर्लियर. अर्लियर का मतलब है पहले. पहले एंड्रोशियम मैच्योर होगा और बाद में गाइनोशियम मैच्योर होगा. दिस फिनोमिना इट्स observed in case of sunflower. In sunflower there is a presence of two type of floret, ray floret and disc floret. In disc floret, this condition is observed, that is the protandry. Second, it is also observed in case of salvia and cotton plant. Second type of dichogamy, it's a protogyny. Protogyny, प्रो का मतलब क्या है? प्रीमेटिव. और गायनी का मतलब क्या है? गाइनोशियम. मीन्स इसका मीनिंग क्या है? जो फ्लावर में गाइनोशियम पहले मैच्योर होगा और बाद में एंड्रोशियम मैच्योर होगा, उस फ्लावर को कहते हैं, उस कंडीशन को कहते हैं प्रोटोगाइनी. इन प्रोटोगाइनी, व्हेन इन प्रोटोगाइनी द कार्पेल ऑफ फ्लावर मैच्योर अर्लियर. कौन सा शब्द महत्व इम्पोर्टेंट है यहाँ पे? अर्लियर. अर्लियर दैन द anther. Anther means what? Androecium. Gynoecium mature earlier than androecium, or carpel of a flower mature earlier than anther. That is called protogyny. It's observed in case of Gloriosa, Syraca indica and the ficus plant. It's also observed in case of Annona and the Michelia. So let's see. This is the first condition. It's the first condition, that is the protandry. This protandry, it is observed in case of sunflower. In this image, the inner one it's a disc floret and the outer one it's a ray floret. The second example in the protandry, it's a salvia. In case of the protogyny, this one is the gloriosa and this one is the Syraca indica. Next phenomena we see, that is the heterostyly. यहाँ पे भी बहुत easy meaning है. हेटेरो का मीनिंग क्या है? डिफरेंट. और स्टाइली का मीनिंग क्या है? स्टाइल. स्टाइल मीन्स व्हाट? दैट इज द लेंथ ऑफ स्टाइल. जो फ्लावर के अंदर जो स्टाइल है, कार्पेल की जो स्टाइल है, कार्पेल कंसिस्ट ऑफ द पिस्टिल कंसिस्ट ऑफ द थ्री पार्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज द स्टिग्मा, सेकेंड वन इज स्टाइल एंड द इनर वन इज अ ओवरी. इनसाइड ओवरी देयर इज अ प्रेजेंस ऑफ ओव्यूल. सो इसका मीनिंग क्या है? हेटेरो का मीनिंग है डिफरेंट एंड स्टाइली का मीनिंग है लेंथ ऑफ द स्टाइल. So in this image you can see very easily, this one is a long style and in this image the style is short. This it's in case of the primula plant or in case of the primrose plant, there are two or three forms or types of flowers in which stigmas and anther, you can see here stigma and anther are placed at different level. They are not at the same level. The anther is smaller and the stigmas are larger, style is larger. Here the anther is on upper side and the stigma or the carpel or the style it's on the lower side. Means what? The stigma and anther are placed at different level. It says as the heterostyly and this is known as the heteroanthy. This prevents the pollen from reaching the stigma and pollinating it. The anther containing pollen grain cannot reach up to the stigma. So you can understand there is no self-pollination. Definitely here the cross-pollination is there. This it's observed in case of the primrose and the linum plant. The next one, so this image, it indicate, you can see this image very easily. This one is a stigma, it's a long, and this anther is a short. Filament is here the anther is long, filament is long, but the stigma is short. That condition, it's known as a heterostyle. Next device, it's a hercogamy. Again, herco, it stands as there is a presence of physical barrier between the gametes, as it is a one of the physical barrier which is naturally present in the plant. This is the physical barrier which is naturally present in the plant between the two sex organ. Sex organ means what? That is the anther, and the second one is the stigma. Between the anther and the stigma, there is a presence of the physical natural barrier. So you can see here in this image, there is a presence of anther and there is a presence of this one. It's known as the physical barrier. This physical barrier which is present, so there is avoids the self-pollination. It is a type of mechanical device to prevent self-pollination in bisexual flower. In this plant, the natural physical barrier is present between the two sex organ. Two sex organ means what? That is between the anther and stigma. And avoid contact of pollen with a stigma of same flower. This condition, it is observed in case of calotropis. It's observed in the calotropis. There is a presence of the pentagular stigma. You can see in this, there is a presence of the pentagular stigma. Is positioned above the level of anther. Here there is a presence of anther, and above there is a presence of the pentagular stigma. There is the presence of pentagular stigma. That is known as the pollinia. This condition, it's known as the pollinia. It's observed in case of the gloriosa, and it is observed in case of the Caryophyllaceae and Calotropis. The next one, it's a self-incompatibility. Self-incompatibility. What is that? It is a genetic mechanism due to which the germination of pollen on stigma of a same flower is inhibited. What's the meaning? It is a genetical mechanism. Genetical mechanism means what? There is involvement of the gene to avoid the self-pollination, that is known as the self-sterility, due to which the germination of pollen on stigma of same flower is inhibited. Means the same flower cannot give the permission to start development of the pollen tube on stigma. So let's see in better way. As you can see in this image, what's the first image indicate? In the first image, in first diagram, as there is a presence of S1 and S2 gene containing pollen grain. When this S1, S2 gene containing pollen grain, it is fall on the same plant containing the S1 and the S2 gene. Then there is the no germination of pollen tube. अगर सेम फ्लावर का पोलन ग्रेन सेम फ्लावर के ऊपर अगर गिर गया तो वो उस पोलन ग्रेन को, वो फ्लावर उस पोलन ग्रेन को, वो स्टिग्मा उस पोलन ग्रेन को जर्मिनेट नहीं होने देती. अगर होने भी दिया तो वो बहुत धीरे धीरे जर्मिनेट होता है. Second diagram. What's the second diagram? In second diagram, in second image, if the two pollen grain containing gene In the first pollen grain there is a presence of the S1 gene, and in the second pollen grain there is a presence of the S3 gene. You can see here, if these two pollen grain, it is fall on the stigma of that plant which containing S1 gene and the S2 gene. यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है आपको? S1 जीन जो है वो जो पोलन ग्रेन है वो बहुत धीरे अपनी पोलन ट्यूब ग्रो कर रहा है. Means what? The same plant, that S1 gene of a same plant cannot show development of the pollen tube, but this S3 gene containing pollen grain which is come from another plant of same species, this S3 containing pollen grain gene which is come from another plant of same species. So this S3 gene, it start developing the pollen tube. Means the germination of pollen tube is here, and the fertilization is also occurred. What's the third image indicate? Third diagram. Both the pollen grain containing gene. What's the gene is here? S3 and the S4. Both of the gene which is come from another plant of a same species. Another plant दूसरा है, flowers दूसरा है, plant दूसरा है, लेकिन और species अलग है. The pollen grain which is come from another plant of same species, then there is a start development of pollen tube very rapidly. That is the, इसका मीनिंग क्या है जो हमने पहले देखा है? सेल्फ इनकम्पैबिलिटी. It's a genetic mechanism, so you can know there is involvement of the gene due to which the germination of pollen on the stigma of a same flower, जो खुद का pollen grain है वो खुद के फ्लावर के ऊपर जर्मिनेट नहीं होता, दूसरा प्लांट का सेम स्पेसिस का पोलन ग्रेन उस फ्लावर के ऊपर जर्मिनेट होता है. What's the meaning here? सेल्फ स्टेरिलिटी. सेल्फ का मतलब क्या है? खुद से, खुद के पोलन ग्रेन से फर्टिलाइजेशन, रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं होने देना, इसका मीनिंग है सेल्फ स्टेरिलिटी. It's observed in case of the camellia plant. The next phenomena, it's a prepotency. Prepotency का मीनिंग क्या है? Pollen grain of other flower germinate very rapidly over the stigma than the pollen grain from the same flower. आपको समझ में आया होगा, ये दोनों की डेफिनेशन सेम है, प्रीपोटेंसी और द सेल्फ स्टेरिलिटी. जो खुद के फ्लावर का पोलन ग्रेन है वो जर्मिनेट नहीं होता, लेकिन अलग प्लांट का सेम स्पेसिस का अगर पोलन ग्रेन यहाँ पे आ गिरा तो वो जर्मिनेट होता है. दैट इज नोन एज अ प्रीपोटेंसी. ओके, अब तक अपने क्या देखा है कि हमने देखा है कि कॉन्ट्रोवर्सीज फॉर द क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. यहाँ पे हमने पहली जो कंसेप्ट देखी है वो है यूनिसेक्सुअलिटी और द डाइक्लेनी. इसमें देखा हमने डायोशियस और द मोनोशियस प्लांट. सेकेंड हमने देखी प्रोटेंड्री और द प्रोटोगाइनी विच इज इंक्लूडेड इन द डाइकोगैमी. फिर हमने देखा हेटेरोस्टाइली की जहाँ पे दो अलग साइज की स्टाइल होती है. फिर हमने देखा हर्कोगैमी की जहाँ पे फिजिकल बैरियर होता है कि जो सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन नहीं होने देता. उसके बाद हमने देखा कि सेल्फ इनकम्पैबिलिटी है, और उसके बाद हमने देखा प्रीपोटेंसी. अभी जो सेकेंड टाइप है वो है contrivances for self pollination. So देखते हैं इसमें क्या है. The contrivances for self pollination, it includes two concepts. First one, it is the bisexuality, and second one, it's a cleistogamy. Bisexuality, इसका दूसरा एक मीनिंग है, वो है होमोगैमी. So let's see what's that bisexuality. This bisexuality, it is an adaptation for sex pollination, self pollination. It is a adaptation for self pollination. These flowers are bisexual. So you can see in this image there is a presence of the stigma is also there, and the means carpel is also there, and the stamen is also there. That is pistil and the stamen both is there, so it's a bisexual flower. You can see very easily, very clearly in this image. The flower means what? The flower are bisexual, and these flowers are opens at maturity. The flowers are open at maturity. When androecium and gynoecium, when androecium and gynoecium of a flower mature at the same time, then this condition it called as the homogamy. So there यहाँ पे क्या होगा फिर, अगर ये एंथर और गाइनोशियम बोथ दोनों भी एक ही साथ मैच्योर हो गए तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे, डेफिनेटली देयर विल बी द सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन. यहाँ पे 100% सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन होगा, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन नहीं हो सकता. द फ्लावर विच शोज दैट द होमोगैमस कंडीशन, homogamy condition, that flower it called as the homogamous flower. That flower it called as the homogamous flower. Due to homogamous condition, the pollen grain are easily deposited on the stigma of a same flower. Thus homogamy favors, यहाँ पे कौन सा pollination होगा, thus homogamy favors self pollination and avoid cross pollination. It's observed in the plants like the mirabilis. It's also known as the 4 o'clock plant, and the second one is a solanum. What's that a mirabilis plant indicate? In mirabilis, that is a 4 o'clock plant, the flower are bisexual. There is a presence of stamen and the carpel. The flower are bisexual and it's a homogamous. You can see there is the presence of the long filament, but the style is short. At maturity, जब ये flower पूरी तरह से germinate होगा, at maturity the filament it's a bend over the stigma so that pollen grain get directly deposited on stigma. The pollen grain it's a directly deposited on stigma. Thus self pollination is achieved. What happened in case of the solanum plant? You can see very clearly, that is the filament is short and the style is long. So this style, when this androecium and the gynoecium, stamen and carpel both it's mature, the style it's a bend over the anther. Naturally or definitely, there is the self pollination is here. It's avoid the cross pollination. Second type we see, that is the cleistogamy. Cleistos means a closed. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? फ्लावर जो पूरी तरह से बंद है. अगर फ्लावर ही नहीं ओपन हुआ तो उसमें तो 100% सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन होगा, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन तो हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि फ्लावर तो पूरी तरह से बंद है. The flowers, what's the condition here? It is one of the controversies of self-pollination. The flower are bisexual. Bisexual means again the same. Stamen and the carpel present in one and the same flower. The flower are bisexual and the homogamous. The flower remain permanently closed. Flower is यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट कौन सा वर्ड है? The flower are closed. फ्लावर पूरी तरह से बंद है. This condition of flower is called as a क्लिस्टोगैमी. उस कंडीशन को क्या बोलते हैं? क्लिस्टोगैमी. और उस फ्लावर को क्या बोलते हैं? द फ्लावर इट्स अ क्लिस्टोगैमस. ड्यू टू क्लिस्टोगैमी कंडीशन, the entry of the foreign pollen grain is prevented. बाहर का जो पोलन ग्रेन है, अगर फ्लावर पूरी तरह से बंद है तो बाहर का पोलन ग्रेन फ्लावर के अंदर नहीं जा सकता. दूसरे किसी फ्लावर का पोलन ग्रेन फ्लावर के अंदर नहीं जा सकता क्योंकि फ्लावर पूरी तरह से बंद है. अगर बाहर का पोलन ग्रेन अंदर नहीं गया तो क्या होगा? डेफिनेटली देयर विल बी द सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन. The cross pollination is avoided. This it's observed in case of the camelina plant. This it's observed in case of camelina plant. What's the characteristic in case of camelina plant? There is the normal flower. यहाँ पे दो तरह के फ्लावर होते हैं. पहला जो फ्लावर है वो ऊपर होता है, प्लांट्स के सॉइल के ऊपर होता है, और दूसरा जो है वो अंडरग्राउंड फ्लावर होता है. As in this, the normal open flower are aerial and the closed flower it's a underground. Closed flower is underground. So here we completed the two way of contrivances for self-pollination. Contrivances for self-pollination. Okay, today हमने क्या डिस्कस किया? हमने डिस्कस किया है कि contrivances for cross pollination और the self-pollination. Here we completed outbreeding devices, that is contrivances of self and cross pollination. Thanks for watching my video. We will continue further part in next video. Thank you.